DriftGuard AI, an official AI Trailblazer entry for the All Things Agentic Hackathon. Organized by Google and powered by Gemini and Google Cloud. Modern AI systems depend on model APIs and SDKs that can change outside the team's control. A provider update can break a build, even when the engineering team changed nothing. DriftGuard connects detection, deterministic verification, bounded remediation, and human approval in one evidence-bound workflow. That matters because dependency drift is silent, external, and expensive. Most teams discover it only after tests fail, deployments stop, or incidents reach production. DriftGuard changes the order of operations, detect the change, prove the impact, verify the repair, and preserve human authority. This is the live application, running on Google Cloud Run. One click begins a complete, autonomous investigation. Every conclusion must be backed by reproducible evidence. First, Source Watcher captures the untrusted release notice. Policy Sentinel screens it for prompt injection. Then, Evidence Clerk records a SHA-256 digest, creating a verifiable source fingerprint. Impact Mapper uses Go syntax trees and type information to locate the exact, active call site. Now, Verification Runner reconstructs the original repository state. It executes only the allow listed go test command. The outdated SDK call fails to compile. The breaking change is proven before any patch is proposed. Remediation Author applies the smallest possible change in a separate, ephemeral workspace. The identical test gate runs again. This time, it passes. Fail before, pass after. Gemini 3.7 Flash runs to Vertex AI, using the official Google Gen AI SDK for Go. It explains why the repository is affected and returns a bounded remediation plan. Gemini applies semantic judgment. Hashes, compiler results, and approval state remain deterministic. Finally, the workflow pauses at the human authority boundary. DriftGuard cannot mutate the repository without explicit approval. The architecture is an event-driven, 45-agent fleet. Approved sources enter through PubSub. The Go control plane runs on Cloud Run. Gemini analyzes each change on Vertex AI. Firestore records workflow state, while Cloud Storage preserves hashed source evidence. And this is the deployment proof. The Cloud Run service is healthy and processing live requests in a central one. It scales to 0 and is capped at 1 instance for cost control. DriftGuard turns emergency SDK maintenance into a verified, auditable workflow. A workflow teams can trust long after the hackathon.